Hey guys, Andy here. I'm sure a lot of you know what this is. Rubik's Cube. We'll mix it up here. I learned how to solve these way back in junior high school. And there's a method to it. I mean, if you can't solve one side, then you're not going to solve the cube for sure. You have to be able to at least be able to solve one side, and in the process of solving one side you need to be able to get the colors around the side when you solve it. Let me mix it up here a little bit and I will get started. The Rubik's Cubes today, I don't like them because they move the colors around. It used to be blue and white were opposite, red and orange were opposite, and then green and yellow were opposites, which kind of made sense to me. Well, now they changed it. Now they have blue and green opposite, red and orange opposite are still, but then they did it white and yellow. And it used to be blue and white and green and yellow, which made more sense to me. And they changed the colors. I'm not sure when they did. I just bought this Rubik's Cube the other day just because I kind of miss playing with it. I used to be able to solve it in under a minute. We did contests at school back in, I don't know, it was 7th or 8th grade. So it's, you know, it's fairly mixed up there. I'm going to start with the blue side just because that's what I've always done. Let's go around that way. Now, as you see, I've solved one side, but I've also got these colors all the way around. I've got all the pieces in their proper position. Now, you have to look at the bottom. You got the top, you have to look at the bottom. The bottom's going to be green, obviously, because of the center. You have to look and see if the pieces are in the right position, which they're not. So there's a series of moves that will swap these two corner pieces. Move this one here, move this one here. Let me look. Orange, orange. Yeah, they need to switch. So I've got the blue facing toward me. I turn the top, the back, move it back forward, around, and turn twice. Now swap these two pieces around. So now I've got the white, green, and red on the white, red, and green. Okay, them are in the proper spot. Okay, all corners are in the proper spot now. They just need to be rotated this way. And then there's a series of moves that's very similar to what I just did. What I just did, I moved, got the blue facing at me. I've always got the blues facing at me. I turned the top counterclockwise. Now instead of turning one like I did, I'm going to turn two on the back, away from the blue, the white. Well, not white, now it's green. Turn it back, turn one forward, turn the top again, back again, and then turn the bottom twice. With both moves, you turn the bottom 2 times. Now I've got 2 corners here that are in the proper position. They're lined up with the yellow, the red, and the white here opposite the yellow. It screws me up with them changing that colors. So you're going to do that move again. And you got nothing. So you're going to continue. Same move. one's kind of stiff, it moves hard. Now I've got down to 1, so I'm going to put that in the upper right hand corner of the back and continue. And there you go. All 4 corners are in place, the green. They're on the sides. There's the blue top. I've got my orange here. Got my orange corners, the white corners, the red corners, and the yellow corners. Now you're going to mess up a top piece to fix the bottom ones, but that's okay. You're going to mess up, but you only mess up that one top piece. Alrighty, green and yellow. Now when you get your top's already all solved, but like I said, you're going to mess up one top piece. Then you get your bottom all solved. And you've got one piece left to go on the bottom, one piece left to go on the top. You're going to turn them so the one you need on the top is directly above the one on the bottom. Then you need to get those 2 pieces beside each other. The blue here and the green one there. And you're going to move them into position. Now, okay, I've got the bottom solved. I've got the colors all the way around. I've got the top solved, the colors all the way around, but that piece is backwards. That's okay, I'll show you how to fix that in a minute. Alright. Okay, we've got the orange, the yellow, but pieces need to move around. This piece here, which is orange and white, needs to go over here. This piece, which is orange and yellow, needs to go back over here. There's a move. You can take this piece here, that's in the front, and it moves down here, and then this piece moves down here, and then this third piece down here moves back up top. It's a simple move. It doesn't mess up anything else. You move the center up, turn the top a half of a turn, center down, move the top of a half of a turn. See there how it moved that orange and white piece up into position? Okay, now, okay, we've got red and yellow here, and it should be orange and yellow. We've got red and white here, and that should be red and yellow. And then we've got orange and yellow here, which should be red and white. So this piece needs to go back up here, this one needs to go down here, this one needs to go back over here. So we're going to do that again. Have that side facing up. This piece in the front will move down, this piece will move down on the next, and that piece down there will move back up. So you go center up, half a turn, center down, half a turn. Okay, we've got that. Got the yellow, we've got the orange, the white is there, but the piece is backwards. We've got the blue, but the piece is backwards. We've got the green. Okay, now I need this piece here to be over here, so we can turn those pieces around. And there's a series of moves for that. So we're gonna turn it that way and turn it this way. So these 2 pieces are opposite each other. And then there's a series of moves for that, to swap those 2 pieces. Just to twist those 2 pieces, it won't mess anything else up. You go center up one, turn one, the top. Center up one, turn the top one. Center up, turn the top twice. Center down, turn the top. Center down, turn the top. Center down, turn the top twice. Now you just, let me see where we're at here. Oh, there we go. Turn that around, and there you go. You solved the cube. Got all 6 sides. Pretty simple, huh? It is when you know how to do it.